Morning, everybody. What's going on? It's Nest here with Succeed with Nest. So anyway, I'm driving in and I'm looking at how beautiful the sky is, and I just can't help but think how grateful I am, how lucky I am. And it also made me think, how grateful are you? How lucky are you? Well, I'll tell you one thing. If you woke up this morning and you're watching me right now, you are extremely, extremely lucky. Motherfucker, you got a whole new day ahead of you. Alright? Think about that. That's beautiful. Thank God for another day. You didn't accomplish your dreams yesterday? Well, you get another chance. Today's the day. Today's the day you take that first step. Today's the day you make that phone call. Today's the day you close that deal. Today's the day you kiss your new wife. Who knows? Today's the best day for the rest of your life. Anyway, that's about it. Beautiful day. God bless. Hey, remember, hit that like button. Smash it. Hit it. Fucking share these. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.